Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and here I am doing the the cat house, I guess we could call it, and of course here I am doing the post vacuuming. I just cleaned it. I ran a Hogs-Dry fibre pad on here, which was tremendously effective at pulling out the cat hair. I mean, I vacuumed it ahead of time, but you'll never stop getting cat hair out of a carpet like, well, any carpet actually. But anyway, anyway, we're having success here. Even though I did the edges, when I was cleaning, the machine was throwing hair all over the place. Quite the thing to see. Carpet actually looks really good. I don't think this carpet's actually all that old. It is a polyester, but there's a lot of there's sort of a bit of a tattery look to it, and that'll be the cat's claws. You know, they race around in here or whatever, and or they may just claw at the carpet now and then, and that's not unusual. But this is looking very, 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 ouch, the door keeps hitting me. Yeah, this is really looking nice. All the vomit stains are gone from here. Oh, you can see all these sprouts, that's from the cats clawing up the carpet. Okay. Now, can you see along the edge where the machine was throwing all that cat hair? I had already vacuumed the edges. I got to do it again. Looks like that yellow stain has faded away. The urine stain in the corner there. It's the only place I saw what appeared to, well, that was definitely a urine stain. Only place I saw one, actually. Okay. So I wouldn't have been able to get away with just grooming on a carpet like this. You got to be able to post vacuum this when it's this level of junk getting pulled up. There's a slight mark right there. You hit it with the proxy, and that'll fade away. I'm going to look over here. Even the fan, the back of the fan is all choked up with cat hair. There we go. Oh, might as well go behind the door, since the door is out of the way. Oh. I'm curious to see just how full my bag is. Now, one of the things that I've had comments about is does the post vacuuming, does it cause the vacuum to get stinky? And the answer to that is no. And I think one of the reasons why is because I do clean with stabilized TLO2 in my solution all the time, so it is a very effective sanitizer and deodorizer. So I think that is a major reason why. Plus, the carpet, when I vacuum them, post vacuum them, is normally very, very close to dry. I guess I got a couple of spots to address. I'll have to do those by. I think that might be a grease or oil spot or something. That's my guess. But let's have a look at the vacuum bag. Oh, it's about half full. Well, technically it only fill up to where my thumb is anyway. That's where it actually is full. So it's got a lot of hair in there. It could pack in tighter than it is. It's not tightly packed in there, but I'd say the bag's about half full for less than 200. No, just over 200 square feet. These two rooms. Okay, I'm gonna deal with these. A couple of spots there. I think that might take some VDS. What do you think of that, eh? It looks a little bit better, doesn't it? Somebody did pee-pee in the corner over there, by the way.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
They didn't tell you, eh?
I mean, you should kill the bed, then I gotta walk my comforter.
Yeah, you can see that's coming out. This is volatile dry solvent. It works really well on on any oily, greasy kind of things. But you use it sparingly because it's pricey. Must be a long, long time. I think I bought my last gallon almost a year ago. So, and I'm only about 3/4 of the way through it. So it goes a long way. Yeah, but certainly for certain things, it just works fantastic. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching anyway, and have a good day.